Hi and welcome to my channel. My name's Luam and I'm wishing you all perfect health and happiness. I have finished my partition wall. This is a vlog type video. If you'd like to see how I've decorated the bedroom, my living room and my kitchen, then stick around. So in part one, my friend who's a qualified tradesman did the framework for the wall and I did the insulating and the boarding, and then in part two I did the decorating of the bedroom. So this one, part three, I'm going to show you the finished bedroom and show you how I transformed my living room space. Obviously it's a lot smaller, so I wanted it to still be as enjoyable. And I also did the kitchen because I have a through living room to kitchen and I wanted it all to be a nice flow with even neutral colours. So I'm going to show you around and we'll have a look into the bedroom. Oh, and just quickly, why did I make the extra bedroom? Because I had twins, teenage twins, boy and girl, that were sharing. Obviously they needed a room of their own and I had no choice but to partition my living room to make that extra bedroom. I did tell you, I think in part one and two, that I was on a very strict budget and so I was looking at lots of ways of saving money, and this door was £5 from B&Q. It had damaged written across it in black felt tip. I just filled it, sanded it, and it looks perfect. So as you can see, it fits the small double really nicely in here. The headboard I covered and the base of the bed were originally brown faux leather. I purchased the fabric, it was on clearance. I think I paid £3.50. So instead of the wardrobe I opted for the IKEA clothing rails, wall rails, and the matching hangers. That worked out at £20 or something for all of it, and it looks great with the clothes on. Houses plenty of clothes, keeps them all neat and nice. I didn't want heavy furniture, too much heavy furniture in the bedroom. It was a choice between a unit or a wardrobe, and I opted for the unit because it gives the room a much nicer modern look. It's an LED flat pack which took me a whole day to put up, and I'll show you a few snippets of how you get through a large flat pack. It can seem daunting at first when you see all the parts. Okay, so let me know what you think of the finished bedroom. I had a lot of questions regarding this partition wall, the costs, the materials, the measurements, etc. I'm more than happy to answer questions, but please can you make them on the YouTube channel comment section rather than privately in Messenger, etc. It just improves my ratings. And if you can please subscribe, like, comment, etc. all that really helps me. So this is the other side of the partition wall, obviously, as I said before earlier in the video, and oh, this wallpaper is just stunning. I don't know if you can see how beautiful the wallpaper is, but it really makes the wall gorgeous. So this wall was my much loved zebra wall that I had to part ways with, and needed to find something that was just as beautiful. So I opted for these 3D wall panels, which were so difficult to cut. I used a hacksaw, but the end result, I absolutely love it. I have stuck to very neutral colours, so there's lots of light and space. This wall is champagne gold and everything else is very white, beige, cream, and I've followed that through into the kitchen. So I don't know if you've noticed, but I used the wallpaper that was on the partition wall in the bedroom. What was left over, I wallpapered over my black tiles. This is washable wallpaper, and I sealed all the edges with kitchen and bathroom transparent sealant so it won't lift or peel. So that was a great bargain. I also wrapped the worktops with DCI Fix, and they're transformed. It's so lovely. It's not as durable as a worktop because it's covered, it's a kind of vinyl plastic, but it is made for worktop, so it does have some durability and heat resistance, and just looks amazing. I love it. That was all kind of around £20 to cover those. I also purchased some vinyl fabric, and yeah, I attached a new fabric to the existing roller blinds. That worked out around £6 for a new roller blind. I've saved massively doing 90% of the work myself and thinking of creative ways and to save. I also bought this desk instead to replace that large glass dining table I had that I used to do work and sewing stuff on and dine on, but this works just as well. It fits the space perfectly. That's my finished spaces. I love it. You let me know what you think, whether you love it too, or anyway, just let me know in the comment section. I have been decorating other rooms now to get the whole house as nice. This is my daughter's bedroom that I've just finished. And I did want to share this also just to let you know that sometimes things do need to change, and it might be really difficult when you're on a tight budget, but it can be done and it can be amazing. It might take a bit of hard work, but the end result's worth it. So love always, till next time.